Welcome back everyone. My name is Ermias, and in today's video we are diving into the essential concepts of routing in Next.js 14. Routing forms the backbone of every web application, and understanding it is crucial for building dynamic and interactive user experiences. Therefore, in this video, we will explore the fundamental concepts of routing for the web and how Next.js 14 handles it. We will delve into the core aspects of the app router and the roles of folders and files in defining routes. In version 13, Next.js introduces the app router, leveraging React Server components. This powerful router supports various features like shared layouts, nested routing, loading states, and error handling. Don't worry if these terms sound unfamiliar. We will cover them in detail in upcoming lectures. In Next.js 14, the app router operates within a new directory named app. Components within the app directory are React Server components by default, offering performance optimization and easy adoption. Next.js utilizes a file system-based router. Each folder in the file system hierarchy represents a route segment, mapping to a corresponding segment in the URL path. Meanwhile, files contain the UI display for a specific route segment. Let's break down route segments. In the diagram, the app directory serves as the route directory, representing the domain of our application. Each folder within app becomes a route segment. For instance, the dashboard folder acts as a single route segment, while the setting folder within dashboard serves as another route segment. To access the UI component in the page.tsx file within the setting page, we construct the URL path using route segments. Hence, the URL path for this route would be /dashboard/settings. This demonstrates how route segments are used to navigate through our application. Nested routes. Creating nested route is straightforward. By organizing folders in a nested structure, we automatically establish nested routes. As shown in our example, nested routes are achieved simply by creating the appropriate folder structure. So, what's next? As we conclude this overview of routing fundamentals, be prepared for upcoming lectures where we will delve deeper into routing. We will explore file conventions, component hierarchy, and collocations, and various route scenarios, such as simple single segment routes, nested routes, dynamic routes, catch-all routes, and optional catch-all routes with scenario-based demonstration. To wrap up our discussion, on routing fundamentals in Next.js 14. I hope you found this video informative and insightful. Stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials on routing in our upcoming videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until, until next time.